Hello, my name is John Kirkwood. Welcome to SymposiumX. As a member of the Web Content Accessibility Working Group of the W3C and the Cognitive Accessibility Task Force for many years now, I want to talk to you about the connectivity and inclusion and accessibility importance that you are creating in the web. In 2006, I want to give you a bit of a backstory here. I had a disabling injury. Prior to that, I worked as the new media strategist for the city of New York, creating multiple agency websites and implementing standards and ensuring that we had accessible information to all, but just amongst the community of the city of New York and its constituents. But due to an aneurysm in 2006, I realized that, hey, we're not really being accessible to people with disabilities. And I joined the W3C. I joined their web content accessibility group and joined their cognitive accessibility task force. Also worked with their silver task force to see about how we can create a future that works for everyone, despite the technology that they're using, create a robust infrastructure that works for all people, all technologies, no matter what their abilities. With my story, I needed technology to enable me to reintegrate with community and life. I saw that it would allow me to navigate around. I have a visual disability that prevented me from being able to map my environment. Soon came in the ability with an iPhone to map, to show me where I was in space and in time. It allowed me to navigate the ecosystem of my life, whether it was my daily planning or my daily path or my to-do list, all in one's hands. Why was this all in my hands? Because we have web standards to do that. We have standards that have allowed the internet to be accessible to all and allowed technology to surface that information to everyone, despite their different abilities, whether it's visual needs, auditory needs, cognitive needs. All this information is now retrievable because we're creating the standards and protocols to allow that to happen. It's a wonderful, exciting time. It's an exciting time to merge cognition and the future of interaction models to make more effective communications, whether it's within a large enterprise or from an enterprise to the outside world. How do you ensure that information is accessible to people? Well, accessibility is one thing, but how do you make it inclusive? How do you make it so that that door not only is wide enough to get in, but your programming is actually inviting you in? How does someone see information and say, this is for me and I can interact with it? That is the bridge to cognition. That is the future of the standards, the future of interoperability and communication that we have created in this mesh network of small devices to large enterprise sites, all enabled through standards of accessibility, cognition, and technology. Let us make a great future. Let's create and use the newest web content accessibility guideline standards. Let's move it to a new generation of technology and enable everyone, whether it's the aging or the youngest in our groups. Thank you for your time. I look forward to a great future in inclusion. Thank you.